What's up, guys? Desperado here. I got something for you. I actually got one of these Explosion de Dinero, and even though I might not know how to say this, I sure as heck know how to win on it. But pretty much up here at the top, you guys have seen it on my channel before. You match two, you win. And right down here, you match the numbers to these numbers up here, and you win the prize. You get a 5x or a 10x. They multiply. And I haven't seen anyone gotten a 10x on here yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and show it. Why don't we see if we have any matching numbers here, just for giggles. 42. I don't see that. 50. 30. Alright. 40. Pocket 4. Oh. And 3. Well, no bueno. But we do have the 10x. As soon as I uncovered that, I said, oh shit, so let's see what we get. Well, $100. Not too shabby, but at least we got the 10x. So there we go. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Oh, by the way, I also learned that TEXAN Candy and I actually share the same birthday. If you don't know who she is, subscribe to her channel. Our birthdays were yesterday. We both turned 32, so tell her Desperado sent you. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.